In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve website readability in Wix. If your site looks great but is hard to read, visitors won't stay long. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your text clear, inviting, and easy to scan, all inside the Wix editor. First, open your Wix editor, log in, head to My Sites and choose Edit Site for the website you want to improve. Give the page a moment to load so you can see your design exactly as visitors will. Next, choose clear, consistent fonts. Stick to easy-to-read typefaces and use them predictably across headings, paragraphs, and menus. Decorative or script fonts can work for accents, but avoid them for body text. A clean sans serif often feels modern and highly legible, while a readable serif can add a professional tone. Just be consistent. Now adjust font sizes and line spacing. Make sure paragraphs are large enough to read comfortably on desktop and mobile. As a guideline, set body text around a readable base size and increase line height so lines don't collide. A bit of extra space boosts comprehension and reduces eye strain. Also, ensure there's adequate spacing between paragraphs and elements. Improve color contrast so text stands out from the background. Dark text on a light background or light text on a dark background generally works best. Avoid low contrast combinations like light gray on white. If you use colored backgrounds, test different shades until the text pops without being harsh. By the way, if you need quick access to Wix, I've placed a link to the website right at the top of the description so you can jump in and follow along. Break up your content so visitors can scan it quickly. Use concise headings and subheadings, sprinkle in bullet points for lists, and keep paragraphs short. This structure helps readers find what they need without wading through walls of text. Create a clear visual hierarchy. Make key points stand out with headings, strategic bolding, or color accents that still maintain contrast. Larger headings, medium subheadings, and smaller body text create a natural flow for the eye. Keep your layout clean with generous white space. Align elements neatly. Avoid cramming text next to images and let margins breathe. A tidy canvas helps your words shine. Preview on desktop and mobile. Use Wix's device previews to check font sizes, wrapping, and spacing on different screens. Adjust anything that feels cramped or too small. When you're happy, click Publish to make your changes live. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching.